We're gonna make some Blackstone chimichurri steak sandwiches today with Asiago cheese. And I'm gonna start by preheating my Blackstone to medium-high for the steak. Oh, my grandson wants to come help. Hop on up here. Gigi's already got a stool for you. Do you know what this is?
Meat.
Meat. It is steak. We're going to season it with the Blackstone Steakhouse seasoning. He takes this seriously.
I tapped it on accident.
Okay, well, thank you for telling me. We'll clean it.
Ooh, that was a little too much.
That's okay. You can get all of it. Perfect.
Oh.
Perfect. It's getting there. These ciabatta rolls are pre-sliced, but I feel like a knife always helps. And this sandwich is inspired by my recent trip to Disney World. We stayed at Coronado Springs, and they had a sandwich similar to this. We're going to put down plenty of oil. And the steak. This is Asiago cheese. Just gonna grate it with my box grater. I can't quite part with it. My grandma gave me this box grater, so. It's been 3 minutes. We're gonna give this a flip. Maybe. Try that again. Oh, it looks so good. I'm going to toast the ciabatta bread just for a few seconds per side because this is on medium-high. I went ahead and turned the Blackstone off while the steak rests before we slice it. My husband's working in the garage. We are real life over here. So while the steak rests, I'm going to tell you about this chimichurri. It's a cilantro jalapeno chimichurri, and you can get this full recipe, including that, at ifyougivagirlagrill.com. I'm going to go ahead and slice this steak, trying to aim for pretty thin. Oh, this is a perfect medium rare. Turn the Blackstone back on over medium-low heat this time. We're going to do 4 sandwiches. So I'm going to do 4 piles of steak back on the Blackstone with some Asiago cheese over top. Cheese is almost melted, so I'm going to put the bottom buns down. I'm actually only going to do 3. This 4th one is going to be for my lunch tomorrow. We're going to go down first with some creamy horseradish, some of that cilantro jalapeno chimichurri. Oh, that smells so good. And then we're going to add the steak with all of that cheesy goodness. And then the top bun. So let's see if these sandwiches are as good as I remember when I was in Disney World. I feel like I have to cut it in half. Looks so good. It is even better.